What is up, guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and right now it is 1:27 in the morning. Now, the reason for this is because, as you know, when you're a good child, your parents reward you with stuff. They shower you with cash, gifts, a whole bunch of cool stuff. But basically, what our parents did tonight was they went out, spent their hard-earned money on getting us some really cool tech, and I'm just here to show y'all. All right, and this is just, I guess, a part one video to this, because this is one with my sister. I'll be doing one with my brother Brian as well. And then I also got my gifts coming on the way, so be sure to look out for those videos too. But in the meanwhile, we're just gonna give it to Jocelyn. She's gonna tell us what she got, and she's gonna unbox everything that she has over here. So, you ready, Jocelyn?
Yes.
All right, Jocelyn, you ready to show us what you got?
Yup.
All right. So basically, out of these three things, what was your favorite? I'm not gonna show them right now.
Probably the phone.
All right. Now, what phone did you get?
I got the iPhone 6. It's 32 gigabytes and it's space gray. Yeah, it's space gray, and you know, I'm happy to get it.
You know what resolution the display is?
No.
And you got most of the specs right. All right, you ready to unbox it? See what else you want to show? What else you want to show? Like what else you got too besides the phone?
Okay.
Right.
So I got the iPhone 6, like I said. Space gray, 32 gigabytes, you know. I got a case for it to use for now. And I got Lola by Marc Jacobs. This is my favorite, like right here. Seriously, it is. So I'm about to start. First, I guess I should start off small with the perfume.
Like that's good. Like go for save the best for last.
Yep. I really like the perfume too. I've been actually asking for it for a while, and I finally got it. And you know, glad that I got what I wanted.
Why do you like Marc Jacobs so much?
Because he's like number one. Like, you feel me? Number one. So.
Oh, he is.
Yep.
Well, that's good.
I don't think,
I'm not like a big perfume person.
I don't think you know anything about this. You know, little sister probably does.
Oh, that's a nice little bottle.
Look at this. Oh my god. This actually smells good. Oh, it does.
Alright. So what smell is it? Like, what's the actual name?
It's called Lola.
But it's called Lola?
It's called Lola, but it's by Marc Jacobs.
Is that bottle meant to be a rose?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That looks cool. I like that. If they had like a dude, if they had like that for like a dude, I would get that, but you know.
Yeah. If they wanted it to look like a rose, they should have had like a green, like, over, I don't know, something like that. But so yeah, I got this, and then I got, you know, a little phone case for it.
You want to show them the phone case?
iPhone 6.
Show them what it looks like.
Well, it looks like this, but I was about to take it out, but I'm gonna have to.
I like it. It's like a aqua bluish color.
It fades. If you could tell, it's dark and then it gets lighter.
This isn't like your permanent phone case. It's just a temporary one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to be getting that more durable one sooner or later, but this is just the case that you can have on it for right now.
Yep. I actually like this one, though. I like the way it fades.
I like it too, but, you know, I got a 6 plus.
Yeah. All right.
You know, I got that plus.
Yep.
You
ain't got to brag about it, Charles.
I'm just joking. But you know why, though, because I begged Mom for that phone. I was like, don't forget the plus. the iPhone 6 plus.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Don't give me the 6. Give me the plus all the time.
You just wanted a phone, right?
Yeah, I didn't really. As long as it was an iPhone, I didn't really care. Yeah. I'm not a big tech person, like Charles. But
I'm a tech kid.
But he got him some swag too. He's not just a straight nerd.
Hey, dang! You just say what you was getting to next. What's that in your hand?
Oh, this is the iPhone 6. I thought y'all could see. My bad. It's the iPhone 6. I'm trying to open it, but here, I might have to do it with my nail.
Come on.
Can't do it. I'm just gonna have to rip it, okay? So
just rip it.
I don't want to rip my SDMI here. It won't rip. Hopefully not.
Just rip it. It's gonna be fine.
All right. This is a SIM card for my phone.
You got it on.
Set that up later.
You got it on Straight Talk. Bro, I be seeing them Straight Talk commercials. She's eventually gonna probably get it on the T-Mobile with the rest of the family. She has got it for now on Straight Talk.
Oh my god. Y'all see this? Do y'all see it? Like, no fingerprints, nothing
That's
like at all.
That's a clean phone. Let me see.
And guys, just for y'all's information, I've never had an iPhone, so this is like a big deal for me.
Dang, that's a clean phone. I like that.
It's silver gray. Well, once I take it out, y'all will be able to see it. I could probably. No, I want it to be.
There's a screen. It's like a piece of plastic on it, so it's not gonna like mess
I wanted my
up.
finger to touch it first.
All right, your finger's gonna be the first to touch the phone. All I did was be the first to touch the plastic.
All right, guys. So.
All right, before we get to the phone, sit the phone down on the table first. This is how most like unboxings do. We're gonna scoot this to the side. We're gonna see what comes in the box first. Open the box. I believe you get like your earbuds.
Oh my! I didn't know it would come with earbuds.
Yeah, you get earbuds. You got your, I think it's 5-watt brick. I don't know, it's 5 something, but you get your power brick. And you get your standard like your lightning charging, you know, no fast charging or nothing like that special. Classic Apple, but you know.
Yep, this is it.
You happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's.
I'm glad I got space gray because most people or girls like that I know get the rose gold. I don't like it. I feel like it scratches off too fast.
And the thing that's good about your phone, since it's brand new, you heard that news about Apple slowing down old phones.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, that's basically, your phone is like, it's not old, but what Apple basically means, what Apple means by that is like when they're going to slow down old phones, it's just basically old phones. Not even old phones, it's just battery. It's phones with old battery. It's phones with old batteries.
I get it.
So your phone's going to be perfectly fine.
Yeah.
But make sure
this isn't that old though.
Yeah, don't update your phone all the time because like, you know, like the updates take up a lot of space.
Well, you're gonna have to remind me that because I don't know nothing about tech, like nothing like that. He gonna be the one setting up my phone because I don't know how. You
got your Apple.
This case
earbuds.
Is clean.
Yeah, no, keep the case so you can always like wrap them when you're done. Then you got your standard Apple power brick.
Yep. I'm gonna have to
see if y'all can see that.
Don't get mixed up.
Designed by Apple in California.
Aren't they usually curved?
It's 5 volts. So
aren't
yeah,
they usually like
curved,
not like a square, or they are, right?
Huh?
Aren't they usually like curved right here? Or no, that's just...
No, Jocelyn, it's fine. If it came in the original Apple box, then it's fine.
Alright.
So now let's put that phone back over here. Let's put that phone in that case.
Up here. All my stuff up here.
Hurry up, come on. Put that phone in that case. Unwrap it.
Right.
So like do it nice and slow. Whenever you take off that plastic and stuff, take the phone out, grab it. Yeah. Oh. Just grab that slab of metal glass. And
okay, so y'all see this. This is the phone.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
it's actually a good size because I don't like big phones. I
like big phones. In a second, I'll show y'all like a size comparison between the 6 and the 6 Plus.
I'll put my case first.
But I got pretty big hands. Like my hands could wrap around the phone pretty easily. But this is a good size for her. Like, put it in your hands. Let's see.
This is how.
Yeah, that's a pretty good size.
And if I'm texting, it's,
yeah,
Snapchat, whatever.
Now put it in the case. Oh, wait, you gotta take off that plastic stuff, but do it nice and slow so you can get that satisfying noise. Now be quiet. Keep going. A little faster. Oh, yeah. Keep going faster. Oh, that little noise at the end.
Alright.
Now put it in the case.
Well, ain't this like a screen protector?
No, we ordered the screen protector. It's not coming.
But doesn't it? I thought it would come with like a little plastic.
No, Jocelyn. It's not coming. Stingy Apple. They don't do that. You get the basic simple stuff. They don't give you screen protectors like the other phones. I thought it came
like a little cheap.
They don't, Jocelyn. I have an iPhone. It doesn't.
Alright. I'm just saying.
So put it in there.
Ooh, I like this. Look. Look. So y'all see this?
It's pretty clean. Nice clean. You can start your YouTube videos on that if you want to.
Yep.
Since you want to start your YouTube channel, you know. What you gonna name your channel, Jocelyn?
Hashtag the real one.
Hashtag the real one. All right.
Yeah, probably.
All right. I like that. You gonna power your phone on?
Oh, it's already charged. Okay.
Yeah, it got some. All out.
Oh, I gotta put in my thumbprint. Well, I don't want to touch it until I get the screen protector.
It's okay, Jocelyn.
I don't want no fingerprints. Like
the screen protectors come with microfiber cloth, so you can wipe away the things like the fingerprints once you get
Am
it.
I just? Is that just me, or would y'all do the same? Just wait until because I don't want to like mess anything
Most
up.
people would get their phone and use it right away. This is your first phone like ever, so
Well,
you
no,
just
I
you
had a
get in
phone,
that,
but it was like a Samsung or
no, but
you
you
know.
get in that phone remorse, like, oh, I don't want to use it
I
because
don't-
like the fingerprints.
I
But
know.
just think about it, like it's brand like right now since you have it, you're like, oh, I'm gonna like treat it like so careful.
Yeah.
But me, like I drop
Yes.
my phone in that case, I'm like I don't even care.
My
Then we got
teacher-
the Apple startup screen.
Yep. My teacher has the iPhone X, and she keeps it in a drawer locked away because she feels like someone would actually take it.
Oh, okay.
But,
All right. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. We're about to go on ahead and set up a phone, and this is pretty fun. I like doing this with you, Jocelyn. We might have to do this one more time. So
I told you.
you told me what?
I'm all natural.
Yeah, all right. Jocelyn's gonna be starting up her YouTube channel soon. I think this is like a good way to start it off. iPhone 6. I mean, if you're getting
I'm gonna
started,
get an upgrade soon, but
Yeah.
I'm good with this. I don't need like an extra. I feel like this is good enough.
yeah, because like all you need to start a YouTube channel is really just a phone. Anything that like even a laptop camera would do the trick.
Yeah.
All right, so Jocelyn, can you take the camera back, please?
Yep.
All right. Don't press it. Get me back in center.
I am.
All right. 140. I don't remember what time it was last time.
127.
Oh, it was 127. Well, that wasn't that bad. But either way, guys, stay tuned for the next one with Brian coming up shortly within the next few days or so. Be on the lookout for mine too as well. I got a real banger coming, so just be on the lookout. Check that notification box and all that good stuff that you do when you're on YouTube. Like, subscribe, post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.